my name is Sinajit. I'm the boys STEM captain at Newlands. This week we are excited to be involved in a hands-on science experiment called BioEyes with Monash University scientists. In term 1 of Year 8 Science, we learned all about cells as being the basic unit of living organisms. This term we will be learning about how cells work together in body systems to create complex livings like us and zebrafish. This week in BioEyes, we will be learning about how cells start from one single cell and develop into millions, sometimes billions of specialized cells. This experiment uses zebrafish and their embryos as they develop very quickly. Today our teams will be choosing their parent fish who will create embryos for us to further explore. Come along and find out more.
Today is the day our teams collected zebrafish embryos. From here, we will be able to see the developing embryos and their body systems under the microscope. And because they're transparent, we'll be able to see their hearts beating, their digestive systems developing, and how their body systems work together to survive and grow into new zebrafish. Zebrafish embryos develop in 2 to 3 days, so by the time we get back on Friday, we'll be able to see the newly hatched zebrafish called chorions swimming freely in their new home. I can't wait to see how much the embryos have developed by Friday.
BioEyes is a week-long incursion where we bring live zebrafish out into schools, and students assume the role of a mini scientist and do their very own authentic experiment using these live zebrafish. So the BioEyes program is also run in the USA, China, and just recently Monash University have also rolled out the program in Malaysia. So it's super exciting to see students being engaged across the world in this really immersive and inquiry-based program.